Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gender on the Lyft application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your phone number and your verification code or your password. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now from this page, if you wish to update or change your gender profile, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on View Profile. Now within your profile page, you will see the edit icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the gender option. Go ahead and tap on gender and then choose whichever gender you prefer to set as. After choosing your gender, tap on the Save button, and you also have the option to add your pronoun if you wish to do so. After choosing your desired settings, you can simply go back to the application and your settings will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your gender within the Lyft application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.